11 minutes of Karens versus judges.
There's nothing quite like watching Karens getting some legal karma in the courtroom, is there?
True.
When years of plaguing public life finally catches up to them and they're made to pay for their crimes. Meltdowns, freakouts, and verbal beatdowns, this video has it all. Let's get into it. To kick things off, we have a Karen who can't believe the judgment given against her and flat out tells the judge she's wrong. But when the judge holds her in contempt of court, things get fiery. Wait for it.
Personal life. It's your business, John. It has nothing to do with
Miss Hardwick.
No.
You will be held in contempt of this court if you become disruptive.
I don't care. I haven't done anything to
What does that mean?
I haven't done anything to him.
She will be arrested for contempt of court.
It doesn't make any difference.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court. You go now.
Wait, wait, is she lunging at her? Wait, does that just mean she's being annoying in court, so she's serving 10 days just for being annoying? Is that what that means?
Contempt of court. You go now.
Oh shit! What?
Follow me.
The star of our next clip is Daryl Brooks, a man with the reputation of not hiding his true feelings when court is in session, getting thrown out multiple times. And it's another one of those days for Daryl when he interrupts and stops a witness.
Yo, her 10 days definitely got up to 100 days, bro.
He called to the stand.
That's good,
Did you have to have surgery on that leg?
Objection. Bleeding.
Overruled.
Do you know what I've always wanted to say? I don't want to be in court, chat. I really don't want to be in court. But I don't know why. I've always wanted to shout out, objection! I don't know why. I really hope I'm in a situation one day where I can do that. Maybe my own wedding. I don't know. Maybe or someone else's wedding.
Sí.
Yes. Just one?
Dos.
Two. That's not gonna work either.
Mr. Brooks, you are advised to stop with the commentary.
No, I'm gonna say what I want.
You called this witness. I'm going
Who's
to take
even
a break
talking?
right now and excuse the jury and this witness.
All right.
Who's giving a comment?
Doing is judicial misconduct. Judicial misconduct.
Yo, Bewitched with the 1,000 biddies. Bewitched, thank you so much. You're amazing.
This Karen has the audacity to accuse a high court judge of being racist, and that's why she was given a harsh sentence. But even when the judge tries to give her side or tries to reason with the Karen, all she gets is interruptions and further accusations. I think it's you, Karen, who's the problem here.
You guys will just take his side. I'm an African American woman. I'm a
Judge
black
is
woman,
bored.
and you guys are all white. You can say you're not racist as much as you want until you're blue in the face, but your actions say otherwise. Okay. And it's clear that you don't have children yourself because of the decisions that you make.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to say. So, Mr. Lytle, I want to make sure that I reinstate her contact, and we're following the order that was entered by Judge Marquis.
That's what you said yesterday, and you didn't.
And listen to me.
Judge is so calm.
You're going to be held in contempt, and the next time you
interrupting what
held in contempt.
Wait, who's the guy screaming? Is he like the co-judge? Who's the guy screaming?
I'm a pro se litigant. And it's my right to speak. As a judge, you have no right to shut up a pro se litigant. And
so here, I understand you've missed time, and I understand you are entitled to compensatory.
You don't understand.
I do.
Bailey.
So here's what. Listen. So for this week, the compensation is going to be as follows. On Friday, she will receive the child. Let's say 10 a.m. and that's going to be at the police department, and that's on MLK, correct, Mr. Lytle?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
All right, I'm just going to issue a minute order because you're not listening. I'm just going to issue a minute order because you're not listening. I'm going to hang up and I'm going to go off the record, Mr. Lytle. That's when you should have.
Yo, she's still ranting, bro, when she's talking me. I hate people like that, man. Just shut up.
I'm going to hang up and I'm going to go off the record, Mr. Lytle. That's when you should have the client back.
And now I'm held.
And that's okay at the time. Thank you very much. We're hanging up. Goodbye.
Next up, we have a Karen presenting a case without the proper say-so. And when the judge tries to dismiss her, the Karen interrupts, talks back to, and argues with the judge, and is fined $500 for her troubles. Now that's what we call reaping what you sow.
For my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based...
What is it? Infringement is based on the PPO. What's that? Bro, why do people always have to use big words, man? Just say what it is. Just say what it is. What is infectious PPA?
Some nonsense.
What is that? Is that even English?
I am not stalking Mr. Nicholas.
I haven't signed a PPO. How can you ask to sanction someone when
Make
you
it
haven't
straight
even
up.
been served?
That's the point. He
Ms.
created a
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
Not in this court. Shut
On
up.
what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal...
Yo. Has there ever been a judge, like, in court defending themselves? Like, let's say your judge is, you know, messed up. They got to go court. And the judge is having a battle with the judge. Bro, has that ever happened?
Vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me.
It does. I need to see it.
However,
I need to see it.
had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am.
Hell no.
I am sanctioning you with costs of $500.
Costs.
Forthwith to the county clerk's office.
I want a coffee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can I have a coffee with the costs?
I beg your pardon?
I knew it was fixed.
Oh.
Miss Stevens?
Oh.
I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions
Smack her up
before I find you in contempt.
This Karen may be in a tough position, but it's no excuse for being rude to a judge. And sadly, if you play stupid games, you get stupid prizes. And her prize is 300 days in jail.
On the assault, I'm going to set a $7,500 cash or surety bond. That bond is conditioned of no contact with Tiffany Castro. No contact means you can't call him, you can't write him, you can't text him, you can't email him, can't leave a message on some social media.
Can't do nothing.
You can't go visit him. If you go someplace and either Mr. McRae or Ms. Castro's there, you have to leave. If you're someplace, even though you may have arrived first and one of them shows up, you still have to leave.
What?
Wait.
Wait. No, that's crazy. Wait. I'm guessing this is like some type of restraining order, right? I didn't know that. So, if she's at a location and they go there, she has to leave, even though she was there first. Yo, bro, I'm telling you right now, like, if a chick was annoying me that much to where I got a restraining order, I'll just purposely go where she is. Like, oh, you're going on a nice day out into Disneyland? Same here. You gotta go. What? I didn't know that. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm telling you, you can't go home. If you live with... If you live with Mr. McRae, you cannot return to that residence.
Oh, you've been kicked out.
How you just gonna tell me I can't go home now?
What?
How you gonna tell me I can't go to my home?
You can't go home.
I just did.
Well, I bet I do.
Well, then you're in contempt, young lady, and you've got 30 days.
Uh-oh.
So you're not going... You're not... What?
Whoa.
Get back! Get back!
Oh,
Get
yeah.
back!
Yeah.
That's another 30 days. That's 60 days.
So what?
90 days.
So?
120 days.
Okay, and?
180 days.
Oh! He's quiet.
Wait, how high can he make that? How high can he make that?
Get off me! Get your hands off me, man.
Come on.
What else you got to say?
Oh, nothing.
Uh-oh.
We'll talk in 6 months when you're ready to come back for your case.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Not as sorry as she's gonna be.
Oh, you just messed it up.
I got money.
That's 200 days.
Why do people do this?
You got
to
anything
themselves?
else to say, Miss Burks?
You.
That's 300 days.
This Karen is given far too much leeway in court when she goes on a rant about a fake...
Yo, how you gonna make it from 30 days to 1 year, bro? Yo, chat, I had a crazy dream last night. I was actually scared. No, chat, this just reminded me. I had a dream last night, right? And I don't really dream that much. That I got locked away in prison, right? And I was panicking because I couldn't stick to my daily upload schedule on YouTube. Like, bro, I'm being serious. I was fucking panicking, right? For some weird reason, I was able to take a driving lesson because my license got taken off me, right? So I was able to do another driving lesson to get my driving lessons in prison, and I tried to escape that bitch. I think I like drove over the wall or something. I don't know. Just so I can record a video. No, I wish I was kidding, bro. That was actually my dream last night. This reminded me, like, her going to prison, bro. It reminded me that my biggest issue was sticking to my daily upload schedule whilst in prison.
Poll book number. She constantly interrupts people, doesn't answer questions, and I have no idea how she's not been thrown out.
No, I was panicking, chat. I was panicking.
The poll book is completely off. Completely off.
Off
that
by 30,000?
I'd say that poll book is off by over 100,000.
Oh, we've seen that before. Poll book,
why don't you look at the registered voters on there?
I did.
How many registered voters are on there?
22 million.
Do you even know the answer to that?
22 million.
I'm trying to get to the bottom of this here.
Zero. There's zero.
It's 22 million.
My question then is if the
guess how many? Wait, what about the turnout rate? 120%.
Yeah.
Well, let's let Representative Johnson ask his question.
So the poll book number. Okay, there's two things that could happen here. Either the poll book number, if ballots were counted multiple times, there's two options. Option number one is that the poll book numbers are not going to match.
They don't.
The actual. Not by thousands and thousands of votes. That's not what we see right now.
Take a look again. Take a look again.
Option number two is that they essentially were filling in names of people who didn't vote.
Dead people too?
So is that,
let's let Representative Johnson ask his question, and then when he's done.
I thought that was his answer. Okay.
Well, I guess that's my question here is why we're not seeing the poll book off by 30,000 votes. That's not the case.
What did you guys do? Take it and do something crazy to it?
Bro, she's definitely on something or drunk. Because she's slurring, bro. She's like, oh, you definitely did take it. Oh, she sounds drunk, bro. She sounds drunk.
I'm just saying the numbers are not off by 30,000 votes. So
I know what I
saying
saw.
That they're filling in.
I know what I saw, and I signed something saying that if I'm wrong, I can go to prison. Did you?
Okay,
I'm just trying to ask you a legitimate question here.
Yeah, let's let
Some of you may recognize the judge, Frank Caprio, who shot.
Oh, I love this guy. Bro, I don't know if you guys have seen clips of him, but I love the clips that I see of him where, like, he gets the kids to decide the parents, like, fine and stuff, and the kids always charge him beer, bro. I love him, bro. Yo, it's so funny. So, like, he'll get the kid up. He'll be like, hey, kid, what do you think I should fine your mom? And the kid, he's like, should I charge you nothing? Or should I charge you $50? And the kid is like, $50. Bro, I love him, dude.
Caprio, who shot to fame for his kind-hearted judgments.
I love him.
So this clip is all the more infuriating when this male Karen starts to disrespect him because he wasn't
Hell
happy
no.
with the judgment. And when Judge Caprio brings him back to fully understand what was said, the male Karen threatens him. So Judge Caprio quadruples his charge. How's that for karma?
We'll see you again in 10 days. What did you say, Sergeant?
Come back.
Bring him back here.
Yep,
I got lawyers, Your Honor. You just said to me, whatever you want to do, Your Honor, do it. Because I got lawyers.
All right.
That's what you call double jeopardy. I'm going to make this phone call and have you indicted for double jeopardy. I was arrested last night for disorderly conduct.
Bro, it was a laugh. Bro. How to know you're embarrassing yourself, bro? The guy wants to laugh.
That right there ain't my record. It don't have nothing to do with this previous case. Sergeant Sarandian. Sir.
Oh, he has cancer, does he?
This young man indicated to me that when he finished
Hopefully
with me, I would be sorry. I take that as a threat. I want the appropriate charge leveled against him.
Yep.
For threatening the judge.
Can't be doing that.
Double jeopardy. Additionally, double jeopardy. Yeah, you want to rearrest me? You can do that. Double jeopardy. No, I'm not going to any person.
Today is not the day for this judge to be messed around with, especially not by a loudmouth Karen who's trying to call the shots. But as soon as she does, this judge nips it in the bud and puts her in her place. She's nicknamed the Attitude Adjuster for a reason.
Double jeopardy!
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I would like to call.
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room,
We've seen this one.
but this isn't Burger King.
Yeah,
when
but we
the
are.
sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions. Stop. Do you promise to...
I got a question. Has a judge ever thrown a hammer at one of the people? Surely somewhere on this planet that's happened. Surely, right? You're not that you see.
Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Somewhere it's
under penalty
happened,
of perjury.
surely.
Yes or no? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where's
Lock her
attorney?
up!
You will not act disrespectful in this court.
Lock her up!
Do you understand, ma'am?
She refused to lock her up. Lock her up. Even though that is a right. Still, lock her up.